Hey, it's the Empire. Geoboxing Empire. Back to my boxing. Now, Dillian White looks to make noise in America, man, and his debut Saturday in the Julius Ndongo Terence Crawford undercard Saturday night. So I'm really excited, man. He's trying to knock the dude out, obviously, and he keeps talking about Deontay Wilder. I'll link the article in the description for you guys. I'm gonna read some quotes for you real quick from Dillian White himself. He says, "I'm at the level now where I'm just one of the two fights away from a big mega fights. So we have to think about what we're doing." I was having a conversation with Eddie Hearn and Frank Smith the other day, saying that we can do what kind of fights we can get in the meantime, because ultimately we're waiting for the big world title fight, either Joseph Parker or Deontay Wilder. So, he talks about two of the three world champions, and then later in the arc, he actually talks about he wants to fight Anthony Joshua again, too. So, there you go. There you have it. He talks about Wilder and Joseph Parker and looking to make noise in America, man. Now, I'm really excited to see Dillian White in America. I haven't seen him yet, but I really want to see what the American fans think of him, because he'll be on this undercard against Ndonga versus Terence Crawford. Now, he's probably one on the lower part of the card, but probably a co-main event. And the thing is, he's fighting on a unification card. So if he wants to show out and people to pay really close attention to Dillian White, you know, if people are talking about him at all, he did pretty good, because, like I said, he's on the undercard of a unification fight against Terence Crawford and Dongo, and that fight's probably gonna be a good fight, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a good fight. Now, I've been man, heavyweight is coming back with a fucking they're coming back mad as fuck with the revenge or something. I don't know, because every time I'm seeing any heavyweights fight, like Big Baby Miller, or anyone fight, any heavyweight fighters fight, they're getting a lot of views, man. And it's not even world titles anymore. It's just like heavyweights in general. If you're like a top heavyweight, people are watching it, man. Hundreds of thousands of people are watching it, right? The Big Baby Miller fight versus Gerald Washington, that fight was huge. You know, hundreds of thousands of people watch that fight. At least 200,000 people watch that fight, and it was semi promoted, and they're not world champions. They're just contenders, but they got a lot of views. So the division's coming back, man. Washington or Miller's fan base wasn't that huge. We didn't know how good Miller really was against a high level caliber of competition, and he proved his worth. Now Dillian White is coming to America. He's improving in the UK, but he's coming to America now, and he's gonna fight a decent opponent. And most likely, if his fight is great or not, all eyes will be on him. So this is gonna be a good fight, man. Dillian White is close to fighting a world champion soon, probably 2, 3 fights away, if not sooner. So all the champions are definitely gonna be watching this fight. Dillian White is definitely gonna, he talks a lot, so he's definitely gonna be saying a lot of things after the fight, calling whoever out. So we'll see. He's coming to America, so I'm guessing he's gonna call the American champion out, Deontay Wilder, the Bronze Bomber, and he's probably gonna say a fucking funny joke. You know what I mean? That's what Dillian White does. He says some funny shit sometimes. So, I can't wait to see what Dillian White does. Hopefully he performs really well, and he puts on a great performance against his kid. Let me know how you guys feel about it, though. You think Dillian White's gonna make a statement in this fight? Because I think he's gonna come in looking to prove a point. He's gonna have to do that. Let me know how you guys feel. Like, comment, subscribe. This is the Empire. Geoboxing Empire. Peace.